Hi, this next hat is called It's Electric. It's pretty shocking. I like to stay current on the latest technology. Okay, I thought you would get a charge out of those. Here's what I've done. I've taken a one balloon hat-based bee, divided it in half, then divided each section in half. I inflated one, two, three, four, and now five 260s about halfway, leaving a lot of tail end. And then all I did was twisted a small bubble and attached it to each joint or twist point that's on the hat. To make it electric, you need to curlicue, spiral, whatever word you want to call it, 4 more 260s. Go halfway between one of these and attach it here. It doesn't matter if this is sticking straight up or out or about. The idea is the effect that it brings. About halfway on the next one also. Take another one, attach it at the same place right here, and go to halfway to the next one. Now halfway between, and you twist it in. You can see this is starting to take some pretty cool shape. Then the same thing, attach here. Whoa, it's getting away. I must be repelling that current. Then you take this one, twist a small bubble, and twist halfway on the next one. And then on the last one, same thing. Twist it right here in the same place. Then for the last one, twist a small bubble and twist halfway into that last green 260. When you get it all done, you have a really cool looking hat that's just electric. Hi, these next hats are basically double-headed animals. And we're finally going to get into a two balloon hat base. We went through a lot of different creations with that single balloon hat base earlier. Now it's two balloons. Remember, to make the two balloon hat base, you hook the two nozzle ends together, measure the person's head, twist, and then twist another 1-inch bubble or so and pinch twist these together to make this two balloon hat base. Now, the first ones you can do is a double-headed rabbit. Remember in the single balloon ones you were making rabbits and so on. So you do the same thing except do it twice. To a child, you can just call them twin rabbits or twin mices or twin whatever. And you do just the basic head. You can put a little white out at the back again for the tail. You can also do the a mouse, but this mouse is having big ears. So, fold twist, fold twist. Fold twist, fold twist. And then the next one you have is basically a giraffe hat. You do the basic head. Twist, twist, bend, twist. Twist, twist, bend, twist. At the very top. Twist, twist, bend, twist. So you have double-headed giraffe hat. Then finally, You can have a double-headed aardvark hat. Just have that neck really short, the ears really small. Twist, twist, bend, twist. Stick the noses out, bend the very ends of the nose. You have a double-headed aardvark hat. Use your imagination and see if you can come up with other heads to put on this double two-balloon hat base. Have fun. Hi, this next hat is called Spiral Agnew. Now, if you're old enough, you'll remember that there's a Spyro Agnew that was a vice president under Richard Nixon years ago. So anyway, take a two-balloon hat base, leave these sticking up, attach. You have spiraled 4 of these. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So anyway, you attach this to the bottom of one of them, one of the struts. Then all you do is you have it going up and around that strut. Then you do the same thing to the other side. Have that go around the strut too. Like this is nice. You could have it going straight up. It's really free-formed, artistic, almost Jackson Pollock type of a, or even a Dale Chihuly type of a piece of artwork. Now the last 2, you take and you tie them together at the very end. You actually could have done that up front too, for that matter. Take these 2, connect them where they meet, to where the 2 balloons meet in your hat base. Stick these out the end and you've got Spiral Agnew. Enjoy.